built-in function. So we have arithmetic functions, string functions, conversion functions, date functions, aggregate functions. We are going to focus more on aggregate functions in this particular tutorial. Before going on syntaxes, how to use sum, min, max, average, count, which is aggregate function, let's understand group by and having clause. Group by clause is used to divide the table into multiple groups based on a specified column. Group by clause is used to divide the table into multiple groups based on a specified column. Having clause is used to specify the condition on group by. So what is group by and having clause? It is coming from syntax of select statement. If you see here, let me show you. Reading the records, updating the records, deleting the records, reading records. So we have group by and having clause. So it is same thing as where clause. In where clause we are providing condition. In group by we are also going to provide the condition, and having we are going to provide the condition. Let's see how that works. So what group by clause do? Group by clause is used to divide the table. So we are going to provide the column as a condition, so it can be get divided into multiple columns. And on that divided column, we are going to use having clause to provide the condition. So the aggregate function and the group and having clause we are going to understand in more by doing the practical codes. So let's create the student table first. Create table student SID in S name char, and char is going to be of 15 size. Course char 10. It 10. P paid is going to be of double type. P balance is going to be of type double. Status char of 3 characters. Create table student SID is in his name is char, course char, city char, prepaid double, balance double, status char. So table is created. So table, let's see the columns inside the tables. Then these are the columns. Let's insert the data. insert into this is practice lab 2. We already covered practice lab 1. Now it's time for practice lab 2. We are inserting data. Values 101 home Java Noida 15,000 10,000. Yes, let's provide another value in this forum. Rai, this course is also Java Noida 10,000 5,000. Yes, and 3 SB Python. This course is Python. He is also in Noida. 10,000 5,000. Yes, 104 DS Java lives in Pune. Yes, another value 105 for double A Python Pune. Another row for 106 ID DB Java Delhi 5,000 10,000. Yes. Another values are 107 AC Delhi 1000. No, his status is no. Another row 108 DD Angular course Noida 10,000. Yes, 109. Yes. Let's see. So we got error. Let's figure out where we are getting error. Insert into students values. So we have first SID, its name Java, code city. Then we have double values, and then we have again alphabetic value. Noida. Here we have what error message is showing. Manually corresponding to near some Java. So yes, we got our values inserted. Let me do it like this. And now it's time for the questions. How many students are available? So let's select star from customers. We have to use aggregate function right here to do so. But first, let's select all the customers for reference. So here we have all the customers. Now, how to know that how many customers are there? Not customers. We are working on a student. I opened wrong table. So how to know that how many students are there? For that we are going to use select statement, but we are going to write count aggregate, and inside count we are going to provide star, means all. Select count from students. So there are nine students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is this as total students? So we can use as total students as a name. If we provide select count star as double quote total students from students, then look what happened. When we run select count, this is the aggregate function from students, then we got 9, we also got 9. But look at the title. So we can change the title. It is not basically changing anything, it is just representing us. So nothing is got changing. Select star count star. So every student is getting counted as total student. It is just to represent this particular output as the total student title. So by using as clause, we can provide a title to the selected column. So with this title we are getting the output. This is known as alias name, alias, alias name. So we can provide some title to our outputs, but it is not changing anything in this table. It is just for representing the output with different name. So total student is 9. Using this select count, we counted the student. What next? So here is alias name keyword to create alias for a column or table in our query. This allows you to remove the result of the column to more readable or meaningful name. Rename the result of a column to more readable and meaningful name. By this way, there is no meaning is coming out, but with this is kind of good. How many Java students are available? So here we are counted all available students, but now we want how many Java students are available. So for doing that, select star from students. Now we are going to use what this query will do. This will count all the students. But if we provide condition where course is Java, now only the students are going to get counted who have Java as course. So only 4 students are enrolled in Java course, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. How many Noida students are available? So how many students are there from Noida? How to know that? Just select count all students using this from student table where we have city as Noida. So 4 students are from Noida. 1, 2, 3, and another one is here. How many Noida Java students are there? Now here is we have to provide 2 conditions. How many students are there who is in Noida, and also they have to be enrolled in Java, because here there is a student who is in Noida but he is enrolled in Python. So we only want a student who are in Noida as well as enrolled in Java course. So where city is Noida and not or. If we are going to use or, then all the outcomes will be from the Noida as well as the next condition. But if we are using and operator, then this is for the single student. Student must have to be in Noida as well as at the same time he have to be enrolled in Java. But if you are using or, then all the students who are in Noida is going to get extracted as well as all the students who are in Java. So suppose there is any student who are in Java but is not in Noida, so this one is also going to get extracted if we are going to use or here. But if you are using and, then student must have to be in this condition as well as the other condition we are providing here. Noida and his course have to be Java. And what we are doing, we are counting those type of students. Only 2 students are in Noida who is also enrolled in Java. Java Noida, Here is Noida, but he is not in course Python. Here is the student who is in Java, but he is not in Noida. But if we change this one is with or, then all this output will be get exported. How many Noida and Java students are available? So let's do this one again. So look at the title. If you are going to present this output to anyone, he is not going to understand what this count means. So that's why we use alias name. If you are going to put as here and then double quote and write your title, student in Noida who is enrolled in Java. So a student in Noida who is enrolled in Java. So this title means something, but this one is not going to convey anyone that what this output is about. How many cities are there? So let's see. Select. We have to count the city first. Count. If we are using this statement, then what will happen? All the students get counted, but we want to count the city. So for that, instead of putting star, which means all, we are going to put column name here, city, from student. Let's see. City, yes, city is also 9, but we have some identical cities. So for that, to get exact number of cities, not the copy one, we are going to use this thing keyword. We have only 3 cities: Noida, Pune, Delhi. So all the students are either from Noida or Pune or Delhi. So if we want to count the city, then we are going to use this statement. But if we want distinct city, exact number of cities, then we are going to use distinct as well before the city. How many courses are there? Same thing. If we want all the courses to be get count, then we are going to use course here. So it is going to 9, give 9, but if we are going to write distinct here, then it is going to call the number of courses. It is not going to include the copy one. So courses are also 3: Python, Java, Python, and we have Angular. So this is what count aggregate function means. What is the total fee collected? So for that, we can use sum aggregate function. Select sum, and we have to add the fee balance column, and this have to be from students table. So overall 70,000 fee is collected, but this doesn't mean anything. If we use alias name right here as collected fee, suppose as selected fee, then it is going to look better. In double comma, so we saw count, we saw sum. What is the total fee balance need to be collected? So what is the total fee balance need to be collected? Let's see. So this is the question, what is the total fee balance need to be collected, which means these are the fee balance which have to be get collected. So we are going to just add this one. So we are going to get sum fee balance. So there is a confusion between fee paid and fee balance. And that's why you have to provide the good column so you didn't get confused. So these are basically same questions. You can work around over this one. What is total fee collected from Java course? So this one is good. Let's change one. Total fee paid. We are adding total fee paid, and we are showing is as. Let's not show this one right now. In last we are going to add alias name from student. So we are adding total fee paid from student, and where let's provide the condition where course is Java. Course is Java. From students to students. So these are the total fee collected from the students who are enrolled in Java. If we are going to provide another condition here, then suppose what is the total fee collected from the students of Java as well as Python, then this will get changed. Let's provide alias name here as collected fee from Java student. Collected fee from Java students is this much. What is the total collected fee from Noida students? So in condition we have to provide city is equal to Noida. What is the minimum fee paid? So in this column, what is the minimum fee that is paid by some student? So let's see. Select minimum aggregate function, and we want minimum from fee paid from student. So 2000 is the minimum fee which is paid by some student. What is maximum fee paid by some student? Change it to the max. 15,000 is the maximum fee some student is paid. What is the student ID to be given to next student? For that, let's get the SID, which is of maximum number. So it's 109, and simply add 1 with this. So it's 110 and the previous one is 109. What is the average of fee balance? We can use average aggregate function right here. Average fee balance, we have to get average fee balance. So this is the average fee balance from this list column. Let's use group by clause. Display the course wise fee collection in the following format. Display the course wise fee collection. So till now we are able to get the fee collected from a particular course, but what if we want to get the list of the courses and total fee collected from the students of corresponding courses? For that, let's use this syntax. Select. Let's add fee balance or fee paid from students. So this is giving total fee balance with fee paid by students by adding all this, but we want it in some format. We don't want total fee balance. We want the corresponding courses as well. So for that, we are using group by clause, and we are going to group it based on course. So it is providing the courses as and the corresponding fee collected, but the output is not readable in the readable form. For that, what we are going to do is to provide the column name with which we are grouping before this sum course. So the students who paid the fees and the fee balance of Java which is collected totally is this much. In Python course, the total collected fee paid is this much, and for Angular, the total collected fee paid is this much. If you are using this statement, then we are getting the addition of all these three, but we divided this one into the course, like which course have collected how much fees. So for doing that, we used group by statement. Add the fee paid and group it based on course, and provide this course on which we grouped right before the disaggregated. So this is how it's done. Select course. This is the thing that we already covered. Display the course wise fee collected in the following format. So this time we only wanted fees of these two. So what we are going to do now, we don't want the fees collected with the corresponding subjects. We only wanted the total fee collected of some subjects. So what we are going to do, we are going to run the same command, or let's do from scratch. Select sum total fee paid from students table and group by based on course, and then provide that course right here. What this statement is doing, this is providing all the courses and their corresponding collected fee. But what if we don't want all the corresponding courses and their collected fee? We want only from Java and Python. So for that we have having clause. What having clause is going to do? Having clause is going to provide condition on the group by clause. So with group by, we are grouping course, and on this course which is grouped by, we are providing condition which is having this course is going to have course is equal to Java and course is equal to have suppose Python. So you can also change this syntax. You can write this condition in another way, which is you can use in logical operator. What in logical operator do? From it is going to choose, it is going to get the output from both this list. P paid. So we are only getting output of Java and Python. So Java course get the total sum of this much amount, and in Python we are getting this much amount. This is what group by and having by clause are doing, that we have seen at the time of creating of not creating of at the time of writing select statement, which is here. This is what group by and having by clause is doing. Group by is grouping the columns, and on that columns we are providing condition with having clause. So we have seen sum, mean, max, average, count, aggregate function. We have used group by and having clause. What group by is doing? Group by clause is used to divide the table into multiple groups based on a specified column. Having clause is used to specify the condition on that group. So we have used all this one. Group by clause, display the course wise student count in the following format. So we have to count the students and we have to display those students along with their corresponding courses. So let's do that. Select first count the student. So how to count? count the students Let's count all from students and then group these all students with group by clause on the basis of corresponding course. So here is the output. So we grouped these all students based on the course. So let's provide the course here, course. So in Java we have 4 students, in Python we have 3, in Angular we have 2 students. Let's see this one again. We are not providing group by, then we are counting all students. If we are providing group by, then we are dividing those students with the basis of provided column. So we provided this column name, on this basis of we are grouping these all students count. So all the students are divided based on this course. So in Java we have 4, in Python we have 3, in Angular we have 2. This is how group by is working. What if we only want a student from Java and Python? So again we can use having clause right here to provide condition on this group of course. So you can go through all of these. Let's move to next example. Display the city-wise fee balance in the following format. So we have to display the city-wise fee balance in the following format. So first let's add all the fee balance. Select sum all the fee balance from students where, not where, group by. Let's group this total sum of fee balance group by based on city. Just write the city here. So from Noida this much amount is collected, from Pune, from Delhi this much amount is collected. Display the course-wise fee collection in the following format. Course-wise fee collection. So we have to add the total fee collected, which is fee paid, and it have to be course-wise from student group. We have to group it by course-wise. So right here course. We can also write alias name right here, but let's go till now like this. POURSC. So course-wise fee collected. Display the city-wise fee balance. Display the course-wise fee collection in this format. You can do this.